Hello. Hello. I'm basically exactly where I was yesterday. If I double check that my screen is. Okay. Oh, wait, I hit the wrong button, I think. Hello. So, I am basically exactly where I was, except I did like a little bit more. Actually, no. What I did is I did what I said I was going to do. I'm making it so that it sets the information and it saves the information in the general code function. Uh, yeah. And then in here, I need it so that it sets the information, and then I have the button match progress. And then I also need I need a way to call to save the information when the progress is done. I probably could do it just in here, is when the button is pressed, save the information. It's actually probably exactly what I could do. I would just need to be able to get all the information. Because what it does is it requires all of these things. Okay. But I do know, okay. On ready, set the icon, set the color. I have it so it saves the file location. Um, Matches button progress. What I probably want is I probably want to on when matching, I want it to save, which is general task function dot underscore save. Oh, I haven't saved this one yet, have I? Save information. Save information. And then this is going to require a whole bunch of stuff that I have saved up here in the order. The short task is not going to have all of these. It is going to have task location, task file location. It's going to have a task name, task name. It's going to have a task reward. And then it's going to have task progress, which is button progress. And then the rest of them are going to be uh, too few arguments, 10, but receive 9. So I need one more. What is 10? Okay. Because task progress is button, task infinite. Uh, these are all not applicable in short task. Oh wait, I'm missing one. Task location, task name, task type. Um, let's see. Task type. Oh, but that's saved differently in here. Oh, and now it has one too many because I have one too many. Task type. But task type is actually a string. I probably want variable task type integer. Task type int is going to be an integer. It's going to equal 0 because short tasks are 0 and then long tasks are 1. Let me set this stuff up here. 1 and complicated tasks are 2. Okay. Yes. Right. So then it would save, where is it? Instead of task type integer. And then it would get task reward, task progress. These are not important for here. And then that will save the information. Whenever the button is pressed, it will save the information. Okay. It's getting there. It's closer to working. I think short task works completely now. Um, I need to make something that just. Ooh. Wait, where is it? Universal function. I think I'm probably gonna need to make another universal function. Time, naming behavior, name, time naming behavior, reward handler, time toggle behavior, save color behavior, item color function, general task function, make user folder. Okay. Because I need some way to alter the text without doing all of this. And I don't know how I would do that yet. But I'm getting all this button override stuff is clogging it up and making it harder for me to see what I need. So, but I think short task just works now. Long task, however, still long task needs the general save information. Long task match button progress. Oh wait, not in the match statement, but outside of it. Save information, task location, task name. Then let me get my cheat sheet. What everything's supposed to be. I get the reward, I get the button progress, and then it's task infinite. Task. Is it? It's labeled something different here. Inf task. Okay. Gets task time length. Inf task. Then it gets task length. Task length. It's task length time, task length seconds. Then it gets start time and then start time seconds. Task, start time, task, start time in seconds. That should work. Oh, that task is gone now because I completed it for testing. Does... Oh, they're gone. They're all gone. Why are they all gone? What? Why do they go away? Why did they go away? Progress behavior. Button progress is equal to the task progress. And then is equal to the task progress. And then here it matches it. General task function. This returns what it pulled. And this one saves it. But why would that make it stop existing? What? Okay, well, let me short test no go short test start dead. This one I'll set to 10. Okay. Alright, this guy's here for no reason. Oh, that broke. That's great. We love that. What? I'm not setting the task button font size anywhere, am I? Yeah, I'm not setting it anywhere. Because I was setting it in here. Now I'm not setting it anymore. Let me put this in the ready function to be fixed. To be fixed font size. Reset. Oh crap. Oh, I need to get rid of that. That's no longer here anymore. Oh, they're gone completely. That's cool. Why are they gone completely? How did that happen? Oh, it's because it's setting the stuff. Okay, well. I think I just... Oh, but that's... I want to remember how I set this. So that way I can go back and fix it. Future. Let me think about this for a second. What I need is... Let me go back in here until... Oh, accidentally zoomed in. Set information old. Let's change this to set font size temp. And let's call that after everything. And then that should work. They're still gone completely. I don't know what happened to them. Let me see if I can pull up this information. Oh wait, what? No, they just all disappeared. Wait. Why do they all disappear? They're all here, but they all just disappeared. That's definitely not concerning. Task creator controller. Maybe I gotta change how this saves stuff. Task creator. General task function. General task functions. It has to save in here. So if I go to task creator, I can. I'm just gonna completely gut how this is written. Cause it needs this in task name, and then that should fix this. Cause task behavior saves the task name. Oh, I did this wrong. That's why it's not working. It's just fucking. I'm breaking everything. I'm legitimately breaking everything. What is wrong with me? No wonder why it's not working. I'm destroying it. I'm removing all information given to it. Give task name. Oh, I'm an idiot. Given task type task type. Given, oh my god, I'm just an idiot. That's what happened here. That's why everything's disappearing. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, I think it was just this top part that was broken. Okay. Well, that's why everything was disappearing, but I still want to change how this works so that way I do this. I do one thing. Task type input. Put text. Wait, why is it input text? Oh, that's name because I didn't remove it. Okay, choice. And then reward value. Task progress is 0. This is all go away. Infinite task. This stuff is not gonna be important. Long task time. Paste. Long task time seconds. And then these are going to be these it needs to be a factor, and these are just gonna be 0 because they need to get set. Factors 3 0 0 0. File location. Oh yeah, that's right, because this is save current path. Save pass. Vector 3. Oh, I need to capitalize it. There we go. There we go. Okay. Get long task time. Okay, that's... This actually needs to happen beforehand. And then all of this can go away. Pass. And then this one, add child, get child for node in child. This is something I do not have the capability of changing yet. How this is currently set up. But this should all work. If I create a new create some new task, these should save properly. Short test, no start. Set the reward to 1. Short task started. Set that one to 2. Long task. This is gonna be what are you gonna be, my buddy? This is long task inf. Make it infinite. We're gonna make it 3. We're gonna give it 1, 1, 1. Oh wait, no, this is reward per hour. I'm gonna actually make that 5. Okay. Create task, and then I'm gonna make it not infinite. This one's gonna be the 1, 1, 1. Task name long task not infinite. Create task. Complicated task. There's gonna be 3 parts. It's gonna give a reward of 5. Task name here. Complicated task. It's gonna have a short part, a long part, and then a long part. One of these is gonna be infinite. It's gonna give 5. Each of these are gonna give 1, 2, 3. That's gonna be 5. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Actually, let's make sure that these just save differently. Short part test. Not if part test. Inf part test. Okay. Create that task. All of those look like they were saved properly. I lied very much, actually. I lied so much. None of those saved. If I'm being so real right now, none of those saved. What? Oh, it's okay. Wait, let me guess. Complicated task save something. Hey, look, it did. Um. Let me. Okay, I think I have a solution. If I just do general task functions dot load underscore load. What was it? What is general task? Set information. Set information. Save pass, because that one loads the current one. Oh wait, no, that doesn't work. I'm being dumb. What I need to do is when I save it, I need to load the information. That's what I need to do. I need to variable load current path. I need to do this. I just need to fix, instead of current task, it's new task load, new task config load, save pass. Okay, so this will load. This will save the information properly. Then it will load the information properly. Okay, so that way I can add the children, and when I add the children, I can then save it again. This time with children. Okay, so let's save those. Let's save all of that again. Create task, short task, test. No start. This is a 1. Short started. This is gonna be 2. Long task. This is gonna be 3. Task name. Long not inf. Not inf. This is gonna be 111. Create. Long inf. This one's 4. This one's gonna be 5. These ones are gonna be 0, and then that's gonna be pressed for infinite. Create. Complicated test. 5 parts are gonna be 3. Short, long. It's gonna be short part. That one's gonna get 1. Not inf part. That one's gonna get 2, and it's gonna be 1, 2, 3. This one's gonna be inf part. And that one's gonna be 3 inf 4. Create task. Okay, did that one save properly? Holy crap, they saved properly. So now, if I load this and I hide that one, it should load the task, right? Oh, they're loaded? Okay, task started. If I start that one, and then I close it, and then I open it, it should still be working, right? It's still working. That's perfect. That's perfect. This guy is completely broken, actually. Something... Okay, so something about that button is not working when it loads. That button's text does not work. Okay, wait. Complicated. Oh, it's because I set the text information in here, don't I? Button text return. Yeah. That's gonna have to go up in here. Okay, but for the most part, this is working, right? If I start... Oh, that broke. Oh, because long task is not setting the information. It's not setting the button size. Okay. Set old information. This is gonna be exactly what I did with the short one of set font size temp. Okay. Set font size temp. And then I'm also going to, I need to run this after the, before the there would be fine. And this is just temporary, and it's fine. And now it should work. Okay. Did, however, okay. That is not printing the time correctly in the long task. Why is it not printing the time correctly? task lengths in I'm not saving elapsed time, am I? Because that's important, isn't it? Yeah, get elapsed time. Match button progress. Because I'm not saving it. Because I'm saving it in the here. But whenever progress behavior, so I think I also want to I need to add some, okay, general task. I need to add return time elapsed in seconds. Okay, let's think about that. Is that what I need? In long task, it has task time elapsed in seconds, time elapsed. So that is what I need. In general task function, I need current elapsed time. Current elapsed time. Current elapsed time seconds. Okay. And then I need to set those actually. So variable current elapsed time. Variable current elapsed time seconds. I spelled something wrong. I did the P and S backwards here. Elapsed. And then this one I'm missing a P. Wait. Oh no, okay, elapsed. There we go. Okay. And then those are equal to get information. This is get the value. This is the default. The default, if time elapsed has not happened yet, should be a vector 3 of 0, 0. And then seconds should be 0. Okay. Yes. If I save that, I know that's going to cause problems in Creator, right? This one's going to start complaining, right? Save information. I just... save information. Why is that one not complaining? Oh, it's because I didn't change it up here. Because this one is going to need a given task. It's gonna need this basically twice. Given elapsed time. I need to also add that in here. Given elapsed time, and then given elapsed time seconds. Okay. Elapsed time elapsed time. This one is seconds. Okay. And then in here, I also need to save this correctly. Lapse time seconds. Okay. Now when I save this, all of these are going to start complaining because this is going to need time elapsed, which this one is also going to, it's going to be the same thing as the start time, except, yeah, no, that one's the same. Short task is going to complain somewhere. Where is this? Here, short task is going to, one. This one I can probably actually make more sense. Also what I need is I need to update this because it now has 2 more parts. 10. Time elapsed, and then 11 time elapsed seconds. We're just gonna add that to the end of every time this is mentioned, which is in short task. Is it saved up here as well? Yeah. Long task, I gotta save it in here. I will fix it in just a moment. Let me write stuff down before I fix you. This guy is not set up. I'm still working on these guys. Okay. Short task I fixed by setting I'm setting these in a bad way. But this I need to set in a correct way. Task elapsed task time elapsed task elapsed in seconds. And then set information task elapsed in seconds task time elapsed. These are gonna be 10 and 11. This is equal 10 and 11. Okay. Now does this work? That is the question I am strongly wondering. That one didn't work. Something's going on when it does that. Let me see what is happening in here. Length infinite. Not saving. This doesn't seem like it's saving it properly. Let me see. Oh, because it's not. Wait. This needs to save information. Okay. Does that work? No, not really. It's also not getting its start time, is what I'm seeing as well. It's not saving its start time. Then again, maybe that's because it didn't have a start time to begin with. Because I didn't have it set up to save a start time. But now it should, right? Because when it's pressed, it saves it, and then it gets the start time when the button is pressed. What I need to do is make sure that it's current time in seconds gets current time. Yeah. Get elapsed time on button press. Button progress. Task start return. Okay. Well, I'm not. Oh, the problem is I'm not matching button progress. I'm not matching button progress when it's in when the button's being pressed. Let me match button progress. I can't tell if that's working or not. Oh, it's getting the elapsed time, but it's not getting the start time. Interesting. Why is it not getting the start time? Or I guess currently it's getting the start time of 00. That's not the problem of. Okay, let me do something silly here. I'm going to remove the start time from the file because when it loads, it should load a default. Okay, that's at. Wait. Okay, so now it's saving in between. The problem is it doesn't look like once it gets past a minute, it doesn't look like it's working once it gets past a minute, which I think is a problem. But also that means I gotta wait a minute for it to be able to be seen what is happening. Oh, I'm sorry. I just whacked my mic with my cup. I'm very sorry. I guess I'm gonna move this project off to the side so that way it's still running. Let me see, how is it showing this time? Progress behavior, if an infinite task time last at. Okay, where is this being set besides where I have set it? It's getting the general function elapsed time. Get elapsed time. Print time elapsed in seconds. Something must be written wrong here. Task align in seconds. Task start time minus current time plus previous elapsed time. Task elapse is equal to task in seconds. This is the problem. This is it here. Something is happening here. Because as you can see, it is going up. Yeah. Is it going to get to 120 and then do it again? Okay, interesting. Yeah, something is happening wrong here. Variable factor 3, task elapsed in seconds is equal to the absolute of the start in seconds and minus the get current time in seconds plus the previous elapsed time. Plus previously elapsed time, which would be 0 task lengths in seconds. Okay. Time elapsed said is if time elapsed said is greater than or equal to 60. I'm missing something here. Something changed here, which is weird. Time elapsed said is equal to time elapsed in seconds minus all of these. If time elapsed said is greater than or equal to 60, text y plus 1. Interesting. So why? So if this becomes 1 times 60 becomes 60, then it should minus 60 from here. But it's not doing that. Or is it because it's receiving different information? Or is it because of its information it's receiving? It's not. Well, no, because then it still would be. Because it's still coming out as this equaling something. Okay. Because, yeah, that's still 250. Interesting. Print time elapsed. Yeah, it's not. Because X is hours, Y is minutes. So it's minusing 0 times 60 plus 1 times 60. So that should be 60. And so task elapsed in seconds should be task elapsed in seconds minus 60. If it was 61, it should minus 60. Why is this part not working? And then if it is greater than 60, it should add 1 to y. Why is it not adding 1 to y? Get elapsed time. Time elapsed. Function get elapsed time, elapsed return, get time elapsed, which is 0. Time elapsed in seconds. It's saving the information. The problem is how it's displaying the information. It's doing something weird in here when it gets here. Time elapsed said is equal to time elapsed in seconds minus time elapsed x, and then if time elapsed is greater or equal to 60. Why is that one not working? Oh wait, is it because is it because every time this is loading, it's saving the task? Okay, wait. Save information, progress behavior. Progress behavior does that. Okay. General functions, get time elapsed, save information. Time elapsed. Where else is, when is this being called? If button 1 is equal to true, if task is equal to true, get elapsed time. If task paused, false, get elapsed time. Where current time in seconds is equal to current time. Task time, okay. Task start in seconds, task elapse. Task elapsed in seconds. Where else is this being set? Is this, I'm pretty sure it's only being set, it's being set in here, but this is only ran once, right? Okay, wait. I did that long task. Right? Print once. Did I spell that wrong? I did. Yeah, it's only loading this once. It's only loading set information once. So where else is it setting? Where else is it setting get elapsed time, get task elapsed in seconds? Where else is this even being set? It's being set in itself. Is that the problem? It's receiving itself, so every time it's going back up. Instead of okay. Because that means whenever it goes into complicated task functions. Right, general task function. Okay. Wait. General task functions. I think the problem is here. I think what I need is a for loop, actually, probably. For 60 in time elapse dot said. For 60 in time elapse dot said. Why unexpected loop variable for after. Am I doing this backwards? Is this supposed to be for time elapsed dot said in 60? Expected in. It's right here. For what? Do I not remember how for loops work? For 60 and 60. I think I just forgot how for loops work, apparently. Oh. Oh wait, I think I'm doing this wrong. For x in time elapse dot said for dot. This ain't right, is it? Because this is just gonna make it all go into yep. I think one of the problems is that the time elapsed in here is being set to a weird value. In Wait, what is this start time? Shit. Where is this progress save? Save information. Set information. Start time. Current seconds. Why is that one? What? Why is this one in? Why is this in years and days? What? When did that happen? Hour, minute, second. What the fuck? When did that happen? Has that always been broken? What do you mean? Okay, well that start time is completely broken. And that elapsed time. Fuck all of that. That can all go away. Now when I load it. Okay, well now it's broken because I changed how it was written. Let me close that. Start task no, task elapsed. This needs to go back to what it was. If time elapsed dot said is equal to 60 is greater than or equal to 60 plus 1. Does that fix all my problems, or am I still going to be crying? I'm just waiting for it. It's just a countdown at this point. Oh, it didn't work. Fuck me. Why didn't it work though? Shouldn't it be plus? Okay. Now why is this not working? Task elapsed time in seconds is equal to task start time minus get current time in seconds plus previously elapsed time, which is equal to task elapsed in seconds. Task elapsed in seconds minus this would become 0 plus 1 times 60. So if this is equal to 61, it should minus and then equal to what? Print elapsed time. What the fuck is happening to you? Why is that not working? Said is equal to task time elapsed in seconds minus the hours time 60 plus the 1, because this is equal to 1, this is 1 times 60. So this times 60 is equal to 1. Or 1 times 60 is equal to 60. So time elapsed said is equal to this minus 60, which is task elapsed. Okay. Actually, I think it completely broke. Yeah, it's all the information and it's gone. How did it break? What? General task. Okay, long task. What? How did you break? How the fuck did you break yourself? Save information. It's given all the correct information. Did I screw up how save information works? I must have, right? General task functions. Save information. Save information receives everything. It gets the path. It makes a new config. It loads the given path. It sets all the values. And then it saves it. But why wouldn't this work? When it sets the information, long task behavior, when it sets the information, it matches button progress, which saves the information. So why is all the information gone? Oh wait, no, all the information's back. It's just wrong now. Which is cool. Let me fix that information manually. inf test progress is 1. True. Task length. This is supposed to be 0, 5, 0. Start time. Get rid of that completely. Elapsed time. Remove. This should be 1. This should be 30. It's that. Whatever. Oh, I didn't save that. Never mind. Save the notepad. Now load. If task, it's back. Oh, but it's now the wrong one. Wait. Oh, it's because I didn't fix that. Wait. True. I didn't save it. Inf task. Yeah, look at that. Okay, now the time is slowly counting up. Okay. This is cool. This is great. Well, it's still not working, but it's all back. Save information. So it's saving properly, right? Yeah. So let's go back. Let's see. General task functions. Okay. Why is this not working? Why is this one not working? Time of seconds. This is. Let me also print task elapsed in seconds. Let me see what's happening here. Yeah, no, that's updating at the same time. Yeah, those are the same one. So what's happening is it's setting this, and then when it sets C, it's not setting this one properly for whatever reason. Right? Why is this math not happening? Task time elapsed in seconds. Task time elapsed in seconds is equal to 139 minus 0 plus 1 times 60. So this should be minus 60. Why is this one not minus 60? Print. Oh, it is minus 60. What? That one is becoming minus 60. So time.said is equal to task elapsed time. Why is Why is it going back? Wait, what? This math equation works. Do I just need to like throw it in brackets? Will that fix it? No. That's not fixing it at all. Okay, instead of task time elapsed in seconds, elapsed dot set. Why is that one not changing? Is that not fixing itself? Yeah, that one is 6. What? Time elapsed in set is equal to this equation. Why is that equation not changing anything? What? This feels like something's being weird just to be weird. Wait, is this what I need? Wait, I'm getting that information from here, but why am I getting that information in here? Do I need this? Previous elapsed time. No. I don't need this, do I? It's not working still, but why is it not working? Time in seconds is equal to this. It's equal to this. It minus 60. Why is that not working? Why is elapse said not? Why is this part not working? Why is none of this working? I don't see a reason why it's not working. What? Cuz it's able to do the math. Why is it not? Why does this not do the math? I'm so Why is it setting what the fuck? Variable time elapsed is a factor 3. Okay. Time elapsed is equal to. Oh wait, it's not getting the information in. Wait. Test likes in seconds, previous elapsed time. I need. Actually, I need to go back. Hold on, why is this one complaining? There it goes. It. Get it last time. I think the problem is I'm not setting this at the start. What I need is task elapsed. Oh, what? Did I spell that differently in here? Oh, I said tasked. Time elapsed. Now I can get rid of that. And then in the long task behavior, instead of task elapsed, it's going to be time elapsed. Does that work? Oh shit, that looks like it's working. Hold up. Oh, that looks like it's working finally. What? I swear it was working before. Is it just why did all the problems start showing up? What? What the fuck? How did it work before but wasn't working now? How does that make sense? How does that make sense? I don't fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you game. Fuck you program. Why it was all working before and then it just stopped working when I got to here. But now it looks like it's all working. I think one thing. Oh, that's not working. That button's not working. Why is that button not working? Pause task does not work in between. It starts the task, so I need to get it so it pauses because 10:56. If I load it again, oh yeah, I need it so that when I pause, it saves information. Just so cool. This button does not work at all, and I don't know why it doesn't work. This was all working before. What the fuck? If button progress 1. If task length is complete is false, and if task is false. Task pause. Or else is task pause. Task pause. Variable pause return. When pause task, it sets the information. Pause task. Pause. Okay, pause task. How does pause task work? New text, new start time in seconds. If it's an if and one, change pause, change to unpause. You spelled task type wrong. Right. Return. Return not is pause. Paused. Text. Elapsed time in seconds. Start new time. Start new time in seconds. That all comes back here. And then the task pause is the first one. It determines if it's paused or not. In here, if paused, elapsed time. If it's false, elapsed time. If button progress is 1, if elapsed time is true. If inf task true, if pause time is false, and button progress is equal to 1, get elapsed time. If it's not an infinite task, task elapsed in seconds is greater than task length which it is, task length. Oh, wait, which it is not. Because task length second, task length lapsed, complete, button dot text is equal to change button text, complete task. If task pause is false, get elapsed time. If button wait. If task paused is equal to false, get elapsed time. How do I wait? On button press, if it's equal to 1, task length complete is false, and if task is false, pause. When it pauses, task pause. When it pauses, it does the pause task. It returns the opposite, returns that previous elapsed task. Previous elapsed time is equal to elapsed time. The starts change, and then the button text changes. Why is this one not working? Wait. If button progress is equal to 0, or is equal to 1, if button progress is equal to 1, it checks if task length complete is false, which it would be, task and if task false. What? Why does that one not work? Oh, it pauses. It just didn't change the text. Yeah, that one just didn't change the text. Why is the text not changing for that one? Progress, inf task buttons, left text. Button text is task pause return 1. Task pause return 1 is new text. New text is equal to, if it's not, change button to unpause task reward. If not paused, pause, else pause task. Why is it not doing this? Oh, is it getting the wrong thing? It's getting the wrong thing, isn't it? Okay, well, let me go back up into where. Oh, I know. In here, no, in here's. I need to do get elapsed time. I'm getting rid of all these print functions. New text is equal to underscore change button text. So it's getting it, but it's not getting. It's pausing, but it's not pausing correctly. Oh, so that's wrong. Oh no. I'm in like such a deep rabbit hole and I don't know how to get myself out. Like stuff is just not working anymore. Last time is seconds, new start time. Okay. Not inf long. Task type. It gets task type string. In here, where does task type string get set? because task type string is equal to inflong, not inflong. Okay. Why is that not getting set properly? Do task type. Button text is equal to return 1. So it's getting this because it's just staying here. Is pause is a boolean. Oh wait, this one, is this one not working? No, that one's working, but I think that's for a different reason. Oh yeah, that's working for a different reason. Cause I think the problem is here. I think this is wrong. I think what I need to do is this. Pause, pause. Well, that one's still not working. If I click pause, pause or complete. If I click unpause, okay, so that's backwards. This one's still not working. If pause is equal to false, equal false. See, even if it should, because if this was not working, it should still return something to change it to. That one also doesn't work when I click the button. What the hell? Why was all of this working before and not now? Match button progress. Is it because I'm splitting stuff up in here? Oh hey, look at that. It's probably because of this. If inf task get, or wait, that's not the right place I'm supposed to be looking. I'm supposed to be looking higher. I'm supposed to be looking here because this is probably what is actually happening. Yeah, because this all needs to get changed. That's the problem. This all needs to get changed. Because everything is currently down here. What I need is, I need to get this. Actually, no, wait, Control Y. Control X. Control Z. Control X. I get rid of that. And then in match button progress, up here, in here, Oh wait, no, I'm being dumb. There. Do task start. That fixed the stuff. Pause. But it is backwards. Oh wait, no, that one's correct. Unpause. Pause. That one is backwards. Why is that one backwards? Oh, it's because in here, task pause. Long task, change button text. Why are these ones backwards? That's strange. Why is this also becoming visible to start? What have I done? Oh, it's because in here it's just doing that no matter what. Variable start task, button. If complicated false, okay. Does this stuff need to be up in here? Wait. No, I'm so lost. I can't. I'm so lost. Yeah, no, I don't actually think that this stuff is supposed to be up here. Match button progress. Okay, no, what I need to do is instead of that, I need to remove this. Match button loading bool. Up here, this one is true. Then down here is false. Then sorry, sneeze. Ugh. Okay. If loading if loading else pass. Okay, now that one's backwards again. So let me go back and fix it. Pause, pause. Unpause, unpause. Pause. Pauses it, unpause. Okay. Why are these numbers negative? Something happened with the get elapsed time stuff. Get the absolute. Why is it not getting the absolute anymore? Cause it's not. Wait, what? Let me stand up. Why did it go negative? Do 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 do. Oh, it's setting the C value weirdly. Oh, it's because it gets the elapsed time and then it minuses the stuff that has already happened, which I don't actually need. Wait. I think the problem with the elapsed time stuff is when it loads again. Because then it loads with this being higher than what it was. Minus these. It might be minusing more than what it should be. Cause if time elapsed becomes like if it became more than the task elapsed in seconds, then the said would become less. Okay, how do I counteract that? No, I I'm stuck. I have no idea how to. I feel like I need to fix everything because I feel like everything's just a mess right now. I feel like I need to re resync this. I need to plan out how stuff works. I I can't, dude. I no. Nah, I think that's it for today. I'm running in circles and what I need to do is I just need to go back to start and just fix everything from the start cuz the problem is I'm having right now is that everything is just such a mess and everything has to keep looping in on itself and I it's not organized. So what I need to do is I kind of just need to go back and redo how the task behave. So that way and then also double like cuz I think the thing is that when I was making how the task behaves, I was never testing it with I was never testing how the task behaves when loading information. Now that it's loading information, I need to fix just so much stuff and I can't do that right now. I don't have it in me. I do not have it in me right now. I'm gonna end stream and maybe I take a break from this guy for a minute. And then let's maybe I go back to uh maybe I go back to making the game for a while because right now this is a mess and I need to clean it up, but I have not had I am not ready to clean it up. I think I need to bounce to a different project for a minute. But also I don't know where I would go today. I need to start by bouncing to another project. I can't do it right now. I'm out of it. I'm gone. I hope everybody has a good night. Bye.